Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use V0 by Vercel. So let's get started. First, V0 is an AI powered app builder created by Vercel, the company behind Next.js. Over here, it uses natural language to generate production ready React components and full applications that can be instantly deployed on Vercel's hosting platform. After that, you can integrate it deeply with the Vercel ecosystem, making it perfect if you're already using Next.js or hosting on Vercel. Then you can also import designs from Figma to turn visual mockups into functioning apps quickly. Unlike traditional no code tools, V0 gives you full access to the generated code, allowing you to customize, scale, and collaborate through GitHub. Now, for pricing, V0 offers a free plan for basic use, a premium plan for $20 per month with higher limits and Figma imports, and a team plan for $30 per month per user that includes collaboration and shared credits. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.